Hello dear students, welcome to today's lesson. In this lesson, dear students, we will learn how to make questions using the to be verbs in English. In simple words, we will learn how to ask about the condition or presence of people, animals, and things in English. Dear friends, this is very easy. As we studied in the previous lesson, the present forms of the verbs to be are is, am, are, and the past tense we use was and were. Now, dear students, to form a yes-no questions with these verbs, we simply move the verb to the beginning of the sentence. Also, don't forget to add a question mark at the end of the sentence. Let's go over some examples with each subject pronoun. Number one, I. Positive sentence. I am happy. Question statement. Am I happy? Positive answer. Yes, I am. Negative answer. No, I am not. Number two, he. Positive sentence. He is tired. Question. Is he tired? Positive answer. Yes, he is. Negative answer. No, he is not. No, he isn't. Number three, she. Positive sentence. She is at home. Question. Is she at home? Positive answer. Yes, she is. Negative answer. No, she isn't. Number four, it. Positive sentence. It is a good idea. Question. Is it a good idea? Positive answer. Yes, it is. Negative answer. No, it isn't. Number five, we. Positive sentence. We are ready. Question. Are we ready? Positive answer. Yes, we are. Negative answer. No, we are not, or no, we aren't. Number six, you. Positive sentence. You are students. Question. Are you students? Positive answer. Yes, we are. Negative answer. No, we are not. Number seven. They. Positive sentence. They are happy. Question. Are they happy? Positive answer. Yes, they are. Negative answer. No, they are not. Or you can say no, they aren't. Now let's talk about the past tense was and were. Just like in the present, we can also ask questions in the past tense using was and were, dear students. Here is how they are used. Was is used with I, he, she, it, and were is used with you, we, they. Let's see examples. Past tense examples with was. Positive sentence. I was at the party. It means I was present at the party event. Question. Was I at the party? Answer. Yes, I was. Negative answer. No, I was not. Or no, I wasn't. Past tense example with were. Positive sentence. They were happy. It means they were in a good mood. Question. Were they happy? Answer. Yes, they were. For negative answer, no, they were not. No, they weren't. Contractions in questions and answers. Contractions are short forms of helping verbs or negatives. These are commonly used in spoken English and informal writing, dear students. Here are some common contractions with to be verbs. Present tense contractions. I am, he is, he's, she is, she's, it is, it's, we are, we're, they are, there, you are, you're. Negative contractions is not, isn't, are not, aren't, was not, wasn't, were not, weren't. These contractions are used in negative short answers and in daily conversations to sound more natural and fluent, dear students. Okay, dear friends, as you can see from the examples, we make yes no questions in English with to be verbs simply by moving the verbs is, am, are, was, were to the start of the sentence, adding a question mark at the end of the sentence, giving answers using yes, no plus subject plus verb. This is how we can easily form yes no questions in English. All right, now we have a practice page to review and practice the grammar section. Turn the following sentences into questions. And now we have a dialogue. I will read it, so listen carefully and then practice it by yourself after me. A. Are you ready for school? B. Yes, I am. What about you? A. I'm ready too. Where is Sarah? B. She is at home. A. Is she sick? B. No, she isn't. She is just tired. A. Was she at the party last night? B. Yes, she was. A. Were there many people at the party? B. Yes, there were. It was fun. Now we have some useful vocabulary words with examples. I'll pronounce them and then you should memorize them. Question. She asked a questions in class. Answer. His answers was correct. Present. They are present at the meeting. Past. We were in the park yesterday. Happy. I am happy today. Tired. He is tired after working all day. Worried. Are you worried about the test? Now it is your turn. Repeat the grammar section on your own and make sure to complete your homework. Practice the dialogue several times by yourself and also make sure to memorize the vocabulary. Dear friends, if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Your support helps me continue working sincerely and sharing more useful lessons with you. Dear students, if you would like to take this course in our 1-hour online classes where you will practice live dialogues, get your exercise checked, and receive feedback on your mistakes, and by the end of the course speak English fluently, you can send a message to the email address below for more information and registration. Until next time, bye.